Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to show you 16 cards that I made using the card kit of the month from March from Spellbinders called Bee-utiful. It is one of the quick and easy card kits, so it came with 8 card bases, but I ended up making 16 cards. If you're interested in seeing the process of me designing them and working through a card kit, I do have 2 videos showing you all of my secrets and tips and tricks for card kits. So if you're interested in that, please head over to my channel and you can check that out. But in this video, I'm just showing you what I made, since the other ones were rather long. The first one's about 50 minutes and the other one's about 20-ish. So after an hour and 20 minutes of talking, I think that was quite enough. So here is just a look at the cards. I tried to stick with most of the materials just from the card kit, with the exception of adding a little bit of cardstock for backgrounds, but I did use a lot of the cardstock that came from the actual kit as well. If I notice anything that's not from the card kit, I will just mention it before I move on to the next card. So this background cardstock was not from the card kit. It was from, I think, Creative Memories, but it definitely coordinates with the background paper there. This one was so fun with the little hedgehog. And I did write jam on the little jam bottle. Just because I was feeling like it made sense in my head at the time to write that on there. And with these 2 that had the little check mark boxes, I left those blank, but the sender can definitely fill those in later if they're so inclined. Now with this one, you might notice the cardstock on the background there has been embossed, and I used the embossing folder for March. That's the Calla Lily one, and it's really subtle but really pretty at the same time. How adorable are these bees? I just can't get enough of them. I used every single one, and I even considered cutting up the inspiration cards that had bees on them and using those bees on a project as well, but I decided not to. But I almost did. This one was kind of funky with the circle window and the pairing of all the little hexagons, but it was kind of fun. This black cardstock did not come in the quick and easy card kit, but black cardstock can be found really anywhere. This one was really sweet and pretty. I think it'd be a nice little birthday card for a young gal, or just a hello for someone. Maybe even a thank you card. This one was really pretty in my mind. It came out just how I had hoped it would, and I think it's kind of fun that there's birds, butterflies, and bees. It just kind of is sweet and full of nature. This one I thought might be used for a baby card, just because it says sweet little honey and it has the pink bow. I don't know, to me it just kind of read baby card. And here's my last one with the sassy fox. It's kind of cute how the fox is sitting. If I had to pick out a favorite card, okay, I'm not going to pick a favorite. I'm going to pick my top 3, since there's 16. That's a lot. I am going to choose these ones. These would have to be my top 3, just because I think that they're really fun and they're definitely my style. They're kind of a scene card, but they're also kind of a collage card, and I think that this middle one's kind of fun with all those sentiments, and this one's really adorable with the hedgehog. So those are my 3 favorites. If you have a favorite card, let me know in the comments. You can just say, you know, it's the one with the flower trucks, or the one with the hot air balloons, or the one with the circle cut out with the bee. Whatever it might be, let me know in the comments, and I'd love to just hear about your favorites. But anyway, I did mention this in my process video, but if you are new to card making and you don't have a lot of ideas, You can certainly go ahead and recreate one of my cards. I don't mind that at all. I'd love to see your creation, so if you do pick up this card kit and want to share your creations, go ahead and join my Facebook group that's linked in the description, and I'd love to see what you make. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful March, and if you've liked the video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channels for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!